report by the Association of Chartered Accountants revealed that nearly 50.7 million enterprises in India lack access to formal source of credit. Now, this is a result of poor infrastructure, lack of standardized operations, leading to poor credit adoption. Now, most of these emerging businesses remain new to credit or early stage borrowers with no credit history or scores. Now, this huge credit gap is critical in the MSME sector, which could disrupt India's economic growth if left unaddressed. So, what is the need of the hour right now?
First of all, namaste and thank you so much for having me on this platform. As we all know that MSMEs today is the backbone of our economy, and let me share with you some facts here. As per the latest Standing Committee on Finance report, shared that the credit demand is of around 37 trillion, and the mainstream supply has been of around 14.5 trillion. So, thus MSMEs today has been facing a huge credit gap of around 20 to 25 lakh crores in the country. However, this scenario is changing gradually in the last couple of years. Many banks and NBFCs today have been taking a lot of emphasis, and they are putting a lot of focus on MSMEs. They've started taking credit calls based on the cash flow, the moment the cash flow of the banking transaction or the GST. We call it as a banking surrogate today. And some of the NBFCs, if you see, are also taking calls on cash income based on whatever they are earning purely on the cash basis. So I think there is things are changing, of course. However, the challenge lies that many banks and NBFCs need to reach out to the tier 3 and the tier 4 cities, especially the semi-urban and the rural unbanked segment, which will help the credit to reach out to the last mile MSMEs.